Greetings. This is Market Wisdom for Traders, episode 65, delivered by Epi65 for forex traders, currency, stocks, options, and cryptocurrency traders for all chart-related trading. Delivered by Epi65. You can reach us on 080-375-97085. We are available for training and for account management. We have been on this for close to 2 decades now. We have what it takes to grow your money consistently. When I have argued myself into disregarding my impulse, and I have stood pat, I've always had cause to regret it. I never get impatient when I feel I am right. I never hesitate to tell a man that I'm bullish or bearish. But I do not tell people to buy any particular stock. But the average man doesn't wish to be told that it is a bull or a bear market. What he desires is to be told specifically which particular stock to buy or sell. He doesn't even wish to have to think. It is too much bother to have to count the money he picks up from the ground. To buy on the rising market is the most comfortable way of buying stocks. The point is not so much to buy as cheap as possible or go short at top prices, but to buy or sell at the right time. When I am bearish and I sell a stock, each sale must be at a lower level than the previous sale. When I'm buying, the reverse is true. I must buy on a rising scale. I don't buy long stock on a scale down. I buy on a scale up. Stocks are never too high for you to begin buying or too low to begin selling. But after the initial transaction, don't make a second unless the first shows you a profit. A customer who makes money is an asset to any broker's office. If a man didn't make mistakes, he would own the world in a month. But if he didn't profit by his mistakes, he wouldn't own a blessed. The first $10,000 I made in the bucket shop, I lost because I traded in and out of season every day, whether or not conditions were right. I wasn't making that mistake twice. It was an old trading theory of mine that when the stock crosses 100 or 200 or 300 for the first time, the price does not stop at the even figure, but goes a good deal higher, so that if you buy it as soon as it crosses the line, it is almost certain to show you a profit. The only thing to do when a man is wrong is to be right by ceasing to be wrong. After being down, a man enjoys being up, even if he doesn't quite make the top. The way to make money is to make it. The way to make big money is to be right at exactly the right time. In this business, a man has to think of both theory and practice. A speculator must not be merely a student. He must be both a student and a speculator. Nobody was immune from the danger of making soccer plays. And for a soccer play, a man gets soccer pay. For the paymaster is on the job and never loses the pay envelope that is coming to you. The recognition for our own mistakes should not benefit us any more than the study of our successes. But there is a natural tendency in all men to avoid punishment. All stock market mistakes wound you in two tender spots: your pocketbook and your vanity. This brings us to the end of this episode 65 of Market Wisdom for Traders. Remember to subscribe, share, and make inquiry. Thank you.